For people that have a small business and not homeowners, a lot of them are obviously fit into that battery rebate size now. We're installing a lot of batteries for businesses. Is it worthwhile them checking out Amber as well?
Yeah, absolutely. Online you can jump onto our website and you can see our Amber for Business product. We've got different pricing tiers based on what the usage looks like on the site. And as far as what the ideal Amber for Business customer looks like, it's similar, where it's someone who can shift a lot of their demand to the middle of the day. So it could be like a retail business which operates from say 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. They're going to be in a position to capitalize on that cheap wholesale pricing. And then if they've got a battery as well, they're obviously going to be in a position where they can use that stored power to charge up their battery in the middle of the day when pricing's cheap and export it at night during those high demand periods.
Yeah, I mean, for most businesses that run from sort of 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. even through till 4 or 5, that's the cheap time.
That's right.
So we've referred a few now, and in all fairness, it hasn't been long enough for us to see the results, but I just think if you're operating the bulk of your energy use during those really cheap times and you've got an adequately sized battery to see you through the peak times, it's almost better than it is for a homeowner, because it just fills into that traditional load profile without having to change anything.
That's right.
So we're excited about the small business ones.
Yeah, we are as well.